Alright guys, how you doing? So as you can see, this beautiful phone from Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 7 Pro, straight out of the box. I just started the phone and in the box I have Play Store. I don't know why, I don't know how, it's already there. It was set up from the beginning, everything is in English. I'm not sure this is a Chinese ROM, but most definitely this is, I think it's global. I'm not sure if they released the global version, but everything here is already set up on English, and I have the Google Play Store. So yeah, so let's go through the setting about the phone. It's 10.2 update. I believe there is another update, so I should connect it to the internet first. We have the security status. This is a device, so you can see the date of the security patch. So it's just 2 months ago, around 2 months ago. Yeah. We can just go through the updater, but I didn't connect it to the internet yet. I just want to go through the setting. SIM card, mobile network. So Xiaomi uses this way of their settings different than other phones. So straight away, when you open up, it doesn't confuse you. You just look at the top and you know where you are. So about the phone at the top, you can click on it, and then you can check for the software update. Just click on the top here and you get your update if you have it or not. You have to be connected to the internet, of course, but this is the Xiaomi way of updating software. It's very straightforward on the top. You don't need to scroll down, go to about, and then look for the software update and then click on the software update. This is just a faster way, which is I admire from Xiaomi. So we have also another category here: wireless and network, SIM card, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, portable hotspot, data usage, more. What do we have in more? We have VPN. Oh, VPN, I don't know. I'm not using VPN, guys. So don't, yeah. Let's check it out. Can we use it? Anyways, forget about this stuff, man. Forget about this. I'm a married person. So we have, where are we now? Wireless, portable, more, VPN, display. Let's go to display and see what we have. Brightness level, reading mode. Let's click on reading mode, see how it actually showing me that. Yeah, I mean, from out the camera, let's just adjust it and make it maximum. Okay, so you cannot see it from here, but from where I see it, it's very clear that the screen is dimmed. It's yellow. It's almost yellow, So I'll just turn it off. You can see. Yeah, back to blue. Anyways, let's go to reading mode. So reading mode, basically it's black and white. This doesn't should be black and white. Let me see. No. So what's the difference between reading mode? Oh my god, did I just click on reading mode twice? Sometimes you do stupid stuff, Anyways, let's continue. Contrast and color, you whatever you prefer. You prefer the cool, warm colors. I prefer like default. Text size, about the text size. Double tap, screen to wake. You gotta love this feature. Tick tick, tick tick. There you go. Also, rotate screen should be on all the time because I watch videos, so I just rotate my screen all the time. Oh, so you can also rotate this way when it comes to the setting. That's beautiful. Yeah, other companies should take notes out of Xiaomi, because they do things in a way that is convenient to the customers and the way user friendly for you, and it doesn't confuse you. I can name you 3 companies that actually really torture you when you go through the setting and trying to just do simple things. So you have to take notes from what Xiaomi does in their phones. So really, really great things. I'm using the Mi Max 3 and I refuse to just give it away or just sell it. I'm just keeping it to myself because the phone is beautiful. The phone is great. Number one, is very rare. I have the blue version, 6 GB of RAM and 128, and it's a global version. So on top of that, I'm getting the software of Xiaomi, so I have the best phone in the world. You know, now we have like Redmi Note 7 Pro, you know, with the best features, with a 48 megapixel camera. This is very good. This is very actually excellent. I don't need anything else. But you know, I'm still using the P20 Pro. I'm not gonna give up this phone. Anyways, back to this phone. Well, we went out of the topic. So portable display, wallpapers. Okay, this is wallpapers. Xiaomi just have like nice wallpapers. Themes. I think they have only two themes here. So you have the classic and you have the default. You know, the classic Xiaomi. It's very. I'm not think it's actually looks nice. I think the newer version is way better than the older one. Sound and vibrations. What we have here, do we have a Dolby Atmos? I don't think so. We have just, but the sound is very nice. I mean, the microphone is very nice. I just tested the camera just really quick, and the sound is very clear. I like that. I like if the microphone sounds good, that means that there's some other good news coming in. So lock screen password. What you can add your fingerprint. You can set your screen lock, face unlock, all that stuff. So you can also customize the wake volume bottom, launch camera. You can press volume down twice to launch the camera, and you can also have advanced setting where you have like lock screen, like pocket mode, for example. So once you put it in a pocket, it doesn't happen. So you don't need to worry about it. This is very unique, gestures. We have also launch camera. We went through this one. So lock screen notification. Let's look at the notification. I think there's a notification light over here. You see that? It's blinking. Yeah. So we have a notification light on the top, which is really convenient. I don't know how Xiaomi, was able to fit this small notification light over here. What else we have? Battery indicator, percentage, graphical, so you can choose whatever. I prefer the percentage. What else we have? Show connection speed. Of course, we need to see how fast the Wi-Fi when you download or upload. Show icon and coming notification. So you can see here there's some icons blinking. Let me double check. Yeah, so these are the icon. So let me just try. I think there's another update that fixed this. I've heard it in one of the YouTube reviews, but let me just double check. Show unlock screen. No. Show icon. Where is it? Yeah, there you go. So we turn it off. If we turn it on, two icons. But it should stay there. It shouldn't be covered by the clock. I don't know. We have to check it out and later on. So in the full review, I'm gonna give you a full details about what you expect. All right. So back to notification, home screen, and recents. Of course, I chose the default launcher. You can install the Nova launcher if you prefer, but I prefer the stock launcher from Xiaomi. Lock screen, home screen layout, show memory status. Of course, this is when it comes to the home screen. Full screen display. Let's double check. Okay, so this is the classical way full screen display. Yeah. So buttons or you gestures. So yeah, you can use these, or you can use default gesture, which is I actually prefer. I don't need to learn. I know that you can perform these actions using gestures. Okay. So like this, you go there, you go back. Recent, you want to delete. Check this out. I don't need to know, guys. Come on. I know the drill. Let me just show you. Okay, of course I'm ready to rock. So I'm done. So let me just quickly show you what I mean. So 1, 2, I deleted. Right? This is back, home, delete, back. So it's very, very convenient, to be honest with you. What else we have here? Battery performance. So let's take the power. Also, you have this is a beautiful thing, guys. So if you're concerned about what actually running in the background, if your battery is not performing well, you have this installed software that from Xiaomi that can actually using the AI to identify what is working, what's not, and it will automatically shut down the apps that or anything else that is working in the background. I'm not sure they have heavy RAM management like the Huawei's, but I'm not sure if they update it. So I need to first test the phone and go through the software update first. So let's take a look. Add 1 minute. So we have save power, screen brightness, battery save off, turn off. So add 1 minute. Bam. 4000 mAh battery. Shows you the temperature and show you the usage time. Now let's go back one more time. Just a little bit increase the brightness. All right, so there you go, guys. So what else we have? Second space. This is for the the VPN people want to have like another life. I don't care about that. So you basically just quickly you can set up your another phone for you or another space for you. You can set up your own photos. If you have private photos, you don't want anyone else to look at it, you can save it with your fingerprint, stuff like that. Battery performance, we checked it out. Storage, so let's just take a look at the storage. So 128 gigabytes, and what's available is 113. So that's that's okay. That's okay. System storage, they're using 11 gigabytes for a Google software. Anyways, there you go. Google account, Xiaomi account, sync, system apps. You can check your apps straight away from here. You can look at the installed apps. You can have a dual apps, Facebook. Is there actually Snapchat? I'm not sure. It's only Facebook. Let's try Snapchat. No, it's only Facebook, guys. Weird. Let's hope the update adds more applications like WhatsApp, for example. Permissions, dual apps, permissions. Let's look at permissions. So what's permissions? Yeah, so app permissions. So when you installed apps, you can just adjust permission. You don't want some apps to look at, have access to your account. You can shut it off and you're good to go. So this is just for you if you're extra privacy. Sometimes you download applications that request to have you access to your camera. So in the sake of privacy, you can just set it off from this setting, which is really great. Feedback. So this is a kind of way Xiaomi uses customer service in order to contact with their customers. So you just straight away write something to Xiaomi and they will just answer you straight away. Or maybe you can just write a ticket, just like just like in the if you're playing World of Warcraft, you just like write a ticket and send it. In a few minutes it's gonna be answered back. That's cool. Anyways, guys, this is about the setting. The phone is beautiful. The phone is beautiful. It looks really great, and so far so good. And thank you guys for watching the quick setting, and I'm gonna come back to you with more video. See you guys later.